Hi, our topic is based on one of the underrated convenience store here in Philippines. In this topic, we're going to discuss the history of Alphamart and what is its role in the community and safety and health guidelines. Alphamart is one of Indonesia's largest retail chain founded in 1999. In the present, Alphamart had successfully become a famous convenience store here in Philippines. Most common lifting guidelines that Alphamart using. Team lifting. When lifting heavy or awkward items, always lift with a team. Coordinate movements with the teammates to avoid injury and ensure proper handling. Alphamart using mechanical tools lift heavy such as forklift, trolley, and push carts.
Fire safety and fire prevention. Despite of all the cleanliness, sustainability, this store also fully conscious of what unexpected tragedy will come, such as fire etc. Usually, every store or mall has this tiny thing attached on the ceiling, called spring head. This device will automatically fire a water splash whenever smoke and fire detected. They also got this push button switch called fire alarm button. This thing will only push or touch when there's any kind of fire or smoke. You can also use this alarm on other necessaries like earthquake or other disaster will come. The fire extinguisher. This is the most common fire prevention tools in any house, store, or facility. This device can be useful to reduce or kill the fire.
In this video, we'll teach you how to properly use a fire extinguisher using the PASS method. When fire strikes at your workplace, be sure to follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Check to make sure the fire extinguisher you have on hand is the correct type of extinguisher to extinguish the type of fire. Type A is used for ordinary combustibles such as wood and paper. Type B extinguishers are used on flammable liquids like gasoline and oil. Type C is for electrical fires, so they can be used on faulty outlets and appliances. Type D is used on flammable metals such as magnesium and titanium. And Class K extinguishers are used when fires involve cooking media, fats, grease, and oils. All commercial cooking sites such as restaurants need this extinguisher. If you don't feel you can safely put out the fire, exit the building immediately. Step 2. With the extinguisher in hand, step 6 to 8 feet away from the fire. Step 3. Use the PASS method to put out the fire. P. Pull the pin so that you're able to discharge the extinguisher. A. Aim the extinguisher nozzle at the base of the fire. S. Squeeze. Squeeze the lever to discharge the extinguishing agent. Releasing the lever will stop the discharge. S. Sweep. Pointing the extinguisher at the base of the fire, move the extinguisher from left to right or back and forth in a sweeping motion until the fire is out. When the fire is out, continue to watch the fire to ensure the fire does not ignite once again. If the fire comes back, repeat the PASS method. Recap. P. Pull the pin. A. Aim. S. Squeeze. And S. Sweep. Remember, fires can be harmful and fatal, so do not put the fire out yourself unless it's safe to do so.
And lastly, the fire exit. This doorway can be useful against on fire spread inside of the store facility. This Alphamart has one fire exit located on the rear side of the store. You can use this door to exit the store or facility that have been burning.
Demographics. Sa slide na to, may makikita tayong chart. Isang line chart. Sa chart na to, makikita natin kung gaano karami ang taong pumapasok sa isang convenience store sa Alphamart, Amaya Tristan sa Cavite. Makikita natin sa baba, bandang kaliwa, merong dilaw na linya. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay in, o sa Tagalog ay mga pumapasok na customer. Makikita natin nakapantay siya sa linya ng 60 at morning. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay sa umaga ay merong 60 plus na tao na pumapasok sa Alphamart. Tapos sa bandang gitna naman taas, makikita natin ang isang kulay asul na linya. Nakatapat siya sa afternoon. Makikita natin dito na merong pumapasok tuwing tanghali na higit sa 120 plus na tao. At sa gabi naman ay nakatapat siya sa 80 plus na tao. Amaya 3 Alphamart has more customer on afternoon hour. Kaya mas maraming customer sa tanghali dahil ang mga tao ay free sila bumili sa convenience store at wala silang ginagawa. Alphamart has 4 workers. Tinutukoy naman dito na kung ilan ang trabahador sa Amaya 3 Alphamart sa Cavite. Meron silang 2 lalaki at 2 babae. Ang edad naman ng 2 lalaki ay edad 27 up to 30. Ang edad naman ng 2 babae ay 28 to 29 years old. Up next, andito naman po tayo sa 5S of Amaya 3 Alphamart and how they applying it from the store. Ang ibig sabihin nga pala ng 5S ay ito ay principle na pinapairal ng 5 disiplina sa paglilinis na nagmula sa Japan. Yan. Dito po ang number 1. Sort. Sort in Japan, it means seiri. They likely sort through stock and remove any unnecessary items from the store's shelves, storage areas, and back rooms. Ang ibig sabihin naman nito ay sinasalansan nila ang mga gamit sa store, sa shelves, store areas, and back rooms. At tinatanggal nila ang mga item na naiwan ng customer sa hindi tamang lagayan. Number 2. Set in order. It means, in Japan, seiton. Our group also seen that the store has applying this principle, seiton. They arrange every product by order for easy access and visibility. Items are grouped by category and shelves are labeled clearly for quick identification. Ang ibig sabihin naman ng set in order ay ina-arrange nila ang bawat item sa bawat bilang at para mabilis ito makita ng mga bumibili. At ilalagyan din nila ito ng label upang malaman agad kung anong item ito. Shine. It means say so. Alphamart from Amaya 3 sa Cavite also applied this principle. I've seen that one employees are mopping the floor and using a broom to remove any small debris and dust. Usually, this type of cleaning is always present on any convenience store. Ang ibig sabihin naman ng shine or say so ay nililinis nila ang convenience store gamit ang mga cleaning tools tulad ng mop, walis tambo, nakita namin ng team ko kung paano linisin ang Alphamart. Gumagamit sila ng pangtanggal ng mga agiw sa taas ng kisame. Number 4. Standardized Seikitsu is also present. Alphamart likely establishes standardized procedure for inventory management, cleaning schedules, shelf organization, and customer service. They ensures that every customer will be satisfied in the ambience of the store. Ang ibig sabihin naman ng standardized or seiketsu ay naglalagay sila ng standard sa kanilang convenience store. Kung kailan maglilinis, kung kailan mag-aayos ng mga gamit, kung kailan isasalansan ng mga gamit. Para ma-ensure nila ang mga customer ay masatisfy sa ambience ng kanilang store. And lastly, 5. Sustain or Shitsuke. This store usually conducts routine audits to evaluate how well the 5S principles are being implemented. This ensures that all staff members are adhering to organizational practices so the improvements are being addressed. Lipat naman po tayo sa kabilang topic, ang occupational health. The common health problem that the workers in the facility commonly encountered based on the nature of their job. Workers in this facility typically face a range of health issues based on the nature of their job, which often involves long hours, physical exhaustion, customer service, and handling of products. Sa topic na to, tatalakayin natin kung ano ang mga nakukuhang sakit ng isang staff sa isang convenience store. Nakasaad din dito na pwede silang makakuha ng physical exhaustion sa customer service and handling of products. Number 1 na pwede nilang makuha: eye strain and headaches. Employees working at cash registers, customer service desk, or in-office may experience eye strain from prolonged screen time, leading to headaches, blurred vision, or dry eyes. This condition is commonly referred to as computer vision syndrome. Sa slide na to, ang ibig sabihin ay ang isang worker ay pwede makakuha ng eye strain at headaches. Sa sobrang tagal nilang nakatayo, nakatingin sa monitor, at sa tagal ng trabaho nila, pwede lang makuha ang isang syndrome na to, na pwedeng mauwi sa stress and mental health issues. Workers there often deal with high pressure situations, long working hours, and difficult customers, which can lead to mental health issues such as stress, anxiety, or burnout. Ang mga staff or workers sa isang convenience store ay prone na makakuha ng sakit na stress or anxiety dahil sila ay nagtatrabaho araw-araw at sa matagal na oras. This is all that our group gathered information about Alphamart Basic Occupational Health and Safety. Thank you po. Yun lang po ang aming nakuhang information